Whoa. Now, guys. Whoa!
Yeah.
Holy cow! Silly cat. He's gonna start to be playful today. Whoa! Whoa! Silly cat. Whoa!
Penguin.
No! Holy cow! He'll chase after things.
But hey.
Whoa! Whoa, y'all guys, I'll see that, don't y'all? This cat is playful today. Yeah.
Pretty much just my stuffed animal, but he will do anything for you.
Whoa! Cow! Oh yeah, remember to subscribe. Sorry for not making a videos for at least 5 days. Or a week, I'm not sure. I've been pretty busy. Today. Stop, Melissa. I've been busy and all that. Whoa.
Okay.
Put it right there. He'll play with the animals. Not only, please. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, and comment.